Nike continues its cultural storytelling with the Air Max Plus Lisboa, a 2025 release inspired by Portugal's iconic azulejo tiles. The mesh upper showcases ornate patterns, nodding to the painted ceramic tilework that's been part of Lisbon's visual identity for centuries. A tiled motif also appears beneath the translucent gum outsole, extending the theme from sole to tongue. Adding local pride, a city flag-inspired jewel swoosh and Lisboa branding complete the design. While the Air Max Plus has long held cult status in Europe, Portugal has played a key role in maintaining its streetwear relevance, making this tribute fitting. This release may be exclusive to Portugal, further deepening the local connection. More than just a sneaker, the Lisboa edition blends performance style with regional artistry, reinforcing the Air Max Plus as both a cultural symbol and a fashion statement. A confirmed drop date is still pending,